Today I'm going to be unboxing a Good Baby dual thermometer. This thermometer is good for testing the temperature at the ear region and the forehead region. We're going to talk about a few of the key features before I get to opening this thermometer up. Some of the key features are ear measurement, as I said, head measurement, clinically accurate algorithm, optimized calibration, easy memory recall, up to 35 readings, Fahrenheit and Celsius scales, color temperature indication, which I'll show you in a second, and it also has a soft case included. Let's go ahead and look at the side. As you know, I recently talked about the color indication. The color indication gives you color hints to understand the temperature aspect of your body. The normal temperature is yellow. The orange color, you need to pay attention to your body. And the red is indication of a fever or hypothermia. So let's go ahead and open this up. Going to come from the top. Doesn't open easily. Going to pull it out, and it looks like a set of batteries fell down. And instructions are right here, and it comes in a velvety-like pouch, which I'll use. I'm going to go ahead and pull out my thermometer. And inside the pouch, there's nothing else in there, so I'm going to put that to the side. Look at the directions right here. It says ear measurement temperature right there. And it shows how you can detect in other ways. You can check the temperature of a bottle, it says right here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. So with this thermometer, that's how it looks right here. It has a sensor right there. And on top right here, it has scan. And right here, it shows, if you come up close, you can see what it says. It says low means that the temperature is lower than 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. Not low battery. No measure room air temperature and forehead ear mode. All right, so that's brief instructions that they give. Now to insert the batteries, I'm just going to simply slide this down like that. And I'm going to take the batteries and open this right here. Just peel back the plastic and pull this right here. And get a little bit of plastic in there. I'm just going to take this right here. And I'm going to slide the battery inside and then slide this battery right here. And it just clicked on. So once it clicked on, I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on like this, snap it into place, and peel back the plastic on here. Some brief instructions. We're not going to need those. And right here, it shows how to scan. Right here's the temperature right there. Turn it on just by press that. It's the mute. So this right here, it shows different readings right there. To scan temperature, you just simply press this, put this against the forehead. This is not a forehead in this situation, but I press the scan and it should be giving me a reading sometime soon. It says low. So the temperature was too low in this situation. All right, so let's see my cup of coffee. Let's see if it's still warm. See if this will give me a good temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and scan. So it's just scanned. I scanned my cup of coffee. And the temperature came out with 96.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, that is really good, easy to scan. All you have to do is press this and then put this against the forehead and it can give you the temperature. In this case, I used my hot cup of coffee, which is not hot right now. It's 96.9 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's pretty much how to use it. Now, if you don't like Fahrenheit, I'm going to show you how to switch this to centigrade or Celsius. I'm going to simply open this up, pull out the battery like this. Sometimes it doesn't come out like that, so you have to say, pull that. And if you look closely in here, I'm going to pull this up to the screen. There is a switch inside right here. And what you have to do is simply look at that switch. And right now it is on Fahrenheit. Now to switch it to Celsius, you take the switch, pull it down, click it down like that, reinsert your battery. Now if you want to have it at Fahrenheit, have the switch upwards. Alright, so I'll put this down right there, close it, turn it on, and let me scan my cup of coffee again. So I'm going to bring my cup of coffee. And now just scanned it, and it came up at 35.7 degrees Celsius. And if I, press that, add memory right there, press that to save that as memory number 1. And a couple of memories right there, I guess, I don't know. But that's basically how you use this thermometer. Make sure that you read the instructions thoroughly so that you can understand how to use this completely. Now, if you want to use this at the ear temperature, you simply have to come up to this right here and take this and pull this off like that. So this is how you check the ear temperature right here. You pull this cap off, and then you're able to check the ear temperature. Now to put it back on, you just simply go right here, spin it like that, and it goes on. Now if you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. Thanks a lot for watching.